In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a parking ticket online in Tennessee state. One important thing to know before you begin is that parking tickets in Tennessee are usually handled by the city, county, or local agency that issued the citation, not by one single statewide payment system. So the key is to go to the correct official website for the specific location where your parking ticket was issued. To get started, open your browser and go to the Tennessee Traffic Ticket Records search page. This can help point you in the right direction, but for parking tickets, you'll often need to continue on to the local payment portal for the city or county involved. Have your citation number or license plate number ready, because most systems will ask for one of those to locate your ticket quickly. If your ticket was issued in Nashville or Davidson County, use the Nashville Traffic Violation Portal. In some cases, especially for certain citations, you may need the criminal court clerk payment site instead. If your ticket came from Knoxville, go to the City of Knoxville online payment portal. For Chattanooga, use the tickets and fines payment page provided by the city. If the citation was issued in Clarksville, use the Clarksville parking payment portal. And if your ticket is from Shelby County, including Memphis, head to the Shelby County Pay online page. If your city or county is not one of those major locations, don't worry. Some Tennessee municipalities use third-party payment services such as SitePay USA or Pay My Site. These platforms process parking and traffic citations for participating local governments, so they can be a useful option if your ticket directs you there or if your local jurisdiction uses one of those systems. As you move through the payment process, make sure you are on the correct official or authorized site before entering any information. Double check the citation details, vehicle information, and the total amount due. This helps prevent mistakes and ensures your payment is applied to the right ticket. Also, pay attention to deadlines. Parking tickets can sometimes increase in cost if they are not paid on time, so it's a good idea to complete the payment as soon as possible once you confirm the correct portal. After you submit your payment, save or download your confirmation page and keep a screenshot or email receipt for your records in case you need proof later. That's the process for paying a parking ticket online in Tennessee. As long as you use the correct local portal and have your citation or plate information ready, the process is usually quick and straightforward.